Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name's Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I have a mini makeup haul from Shop Miss A. I figured I haven't shopped there in about 2 years, so I figured I would try some products out, see what I like, see what I don't, and show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is from AOA Studios, and it is a brush cleaner. I happen to get 2 of them because I do really like brush cleaners, and if they work, might as well have a backup. The next thing I actually got 2 of them, is from Urban Studios, the Midnight Mist collection. This is a foundation brush, and I also have a bronzer brush right here. I had to try it out. Well, not try it out, but I had to at least feel it to see if I like it, and it is really soft, and the packaging is really pretty, so I figured, why not? Let's see, and it's $1, so might as well. The next 2 products I got are from AOA Studios. You are going to see AOA Studios a lot because that's the one that I do hear the most praise about, so I figured might as well try it. There are 2 colored mascaras. One is a dark blue and the other one is a dark green. And again, both a buck. Can't go wrong. Might as well try them out and see if I like them. The next thing I got is not from AOA. It's from Amuse Cosmetics, and it is a little palette. It's more of a dark shadows, but I figured it might be really nice, and it looks like a fall palette, so I was all about that. And I'll be interested to see if the quality is good. So here's what the palette actually looks like. Let me do that for you. And I'll definitely let you know what I really liked, what I didn't in an upcoming video. The next thing I got is is this a gel? Okay, it's a gel eyeliner. I figured it was a pretty color. Definitely try it out. And I also got one in dark brown as well. Again, I'm interested. I do have my favorites when it comes to gel eyeliner. NYX has a really good formula. I do like the Lori color, yeah, one, and I figured for $1, might as well try them. I did pick up 2 radiant blushes. One is in delicate pink. Take that out so you can actually see the color. And the other one is in Rose Dawn. They're going to definitely be a shimmery kind of blush, but I'm quite excited. Nothing wrong with a little sparkle and shine. I'm actually going to be surprising one of my good friends with her own little custom palette, so I did get quite a few colors to come up with one. I do have the finished product because I wanted to make sure that I had the layout that I want and everything, so I got 2 of each of these colors. So I'll show you the colors I got, and then I'll finally show you the palette and how it looks. So the first color is going to be Moment. It's more of a base color. I figured it'd be a good color to start off with. I'm not going to show you them in this little format just for the fact that I do feel a cold coming on, and I don't want to do that to her. I want to, be able to set up the palette and everything when I know I'm healthy and okay. So the next color is Lucid, and it is a duochrome color. Again, I do have it out there, so I will definitely show you what it looks like. I'm excited with how the palette came out. Next color, Spicy. It's like a burnt orange color, maybe a burnt red. Either way, it was really pretty, and the swatches are really nice. The next color, let me try to go in order. The next color is Soul. Again, this is going to be another one of the transition shades. Nope, it's not. I'm sorry. This is actually a shimmer. I know it's a little bit harder to see like this, so when I show you the full palette, you'll get a better idea of what it is. The next one is a matte, and it is Perfect. This is a matte brown. I wanted to do a neutral palette, and plus there was a lot of colors that were already sold out, so I figured this is a good way for me to try out the colors, for her to try out some colors, and if we do really like them, we can definitely go back, and hopefully when the stocking is better, we'll be able to pick out some different colors. The next one is another shimmer, and this one is Intuition. It's like a a red copper shimmer. So again, these swatches are really pretty, so hopefully it comes out well, and hopefully she likes it. The next one is Forbidden, and this is a purple matte. You might as well mix it up with some color, but it is going to be mostly a neutral palette. But I liked that I made sure that they would go nicely together. So hopefully they all complement each other. The next one is a shimmer again, and it is called Twilight. This is more of a purple blue shimmer. And finally, Vintage, and it's another matte. It's more of a peachy matte color, and I figured it'd actually go nice with a couple of the shimmers. All about complementing each other. Now, I know that it was hard to kind of see with the little boxes and things, but ultimately the palette will look like this. So hopefully she likes it. I think it's a good mixture of mattes and shimmers, and one duochrome, so I'm excited. And like I said, she's never tried these shadows, and I figured, you know what, why not? With everything going on, it doesn't hurt to be nice and surprise her with something, so hopefully she likes it. She is just an amazing friend, and I wanted to surprise her with something. Okay, back to the haul. We have 2 velour eyeshadows. One, I can actually get it right. One is in Express, and the other is in Cherish. I'm excited to try these out, so I'll definitely do an update, and I'll definitely be using these products when I'm not on the verge of being sick. So the next thing I got, which I got a couple different versions because my friend wanted to try sponges, so I figured I'm not just gonna get her one, they're $1, I'm gonna get her a couple so she can try, and if she likes them, she'll know which ones to get. So we have the first one, and this one, it was actually $1.88, but I believe this also, a portion of it goes to charity. So that's how the one sponge looks, and you can still feel them, they're quite squishy, so hopefully they'll work out well for her. The next one is just a normal tear shape for a beauty blender. Again, they feel really good from, you know, inside the packaging. And finally, this is a high definition one, so hopefully one of these will work out for her. No guarantees, I'm just hoping. The next thing I got is a soft matte liquid cream. I just really liked the container. I just thought it was super cute. Let's see. And the color is more of a dark brown color. So I'm excited. I think this will be a good shade, especially for the fall. And it does kind of smell like grapey, so that's cool. It goes with the theme. It's just, again, a sucker for packaging. This is adorable. The next 3 things I got are loose pigments. Now, I don't normally go for loose pigment, but there was just something about these that were just really pretty. So the first one is this, let me put them down, coppery gold shade. Again, I will definitely let you know, when I use these and what shade I'm using so you guys can see. This one is in Wand. Again, very pretty. The next one is in Grail, and it's this gold with green, and it was just really pretty. Again, I'm just super excited. I actually have an Amazon palette that I'm trying out that I think this will go really nice with. You'll see. Hopefully I'll be able to do that video shortly. The final one I got is called Enchanted. This one is really pretty as well. I'm hoping, you know what, let's swatch them, because these are actually going to be mine, and I just hopefully won't be a complete mess. Let's see. So we have one right here. Oh, look at that. See, it was just so pretty on the pictures, and clearly you don't know if that's going to actually be what they look like, but this is nice. And this one's Enchanted. Let's see that sparkle. I think this will even be a good like lid topper, so I'm excited to try that out. You know what, let's go for the other one too. Let's do Grail, which is more of the yellow. I'm just really nervous because they are just so messy. That is the only thing. Let's see. Ooh, okay. That one might not be the most pigmented. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can barely see that one. Oh well, we'll see. It could just be a matter of, wetting a brush and doing it that way, so it's all about playing with them and making them work. Let's try the final one too, might as well. Wand, I thought wand was really pretty swatched as well. Let's see. Okay, let's try to put a little bit more on there. And there's that one. So I mean, they are pretty. Definitely the grail is not as impressive as I thought it was going to be, but both the other two colors are quite pretty, so I'm excited to try them out and to see. And finally, because I was really interested in their highlighting palettes, I did get one from AOA again, and it's the Majesty palette, sorry, that would have helped. And it is a highlighting palette, definitely a good amount of variety for all skin tones, so hopefully this will work out. I'm going to definitely give you guys a heads up and let you know what's going on once I get to try out a lot more of these products. But like I said, I wanted to make sure that I was able to give you guys something. I know it's not going to be the longest video, but I'm excited with what I got, and I'll definitely give you guys a little update as to what I liked, what I didn't like, and we'll go from there. But like I said, I know it's coming, and I know it's because of the change of seasons, and it's going to happen to a lot of people, so I know, well, it is what it is. I'll take some medicine and be okay. But just a quick reminder that you are awesome. You are genuine, beautiful. And if today is not a good day, it's okay. Because all we can do is try. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.